today we will start the lecture number 12, area, circumference and volume. For exercise number 12.1, firstly we need to talk about the circle. This is called circle and this is the center point of the circle. The enclosed shape is called circle and this is called the center point. If I will take a distance from this point to this is called radius. This is called radius. If I will take this distance from this center point to this is called radius. But when I will touch this line to both of the edge of the circle, this is called diameter. This is called diameter. Half of the distance is called radius. When it will double touch the edge of the circle, this is called diameter. Inside space of a shape is called area. Inside space of a shape is called area of a circle. And the outer boundary is called the circumference. Outer boundary is called the circumference. So these are the things which you need to understand for starting the exercise. Distance from the center point to the edge is called radius, but I will double the line, touch the edge, so this is called diameter. Inside space is called area and outer boundary is called the circumference of the circle. Now I am solving the formulas. Diameter of the circle. Diameter means double, touch the both edge of the circles. So 2 multiplied by radius, because this is the radius, when it will double, it's called diameter. So 2 times radius, 2 times radius. Then the radius is diameter divided by 2, because half of this is called diameter. So radius is diameter divided by 2. And what about the circumference, outer boundary of the circle? The formula will be circumference is equals to 2 pi r. R means radius. And what about the area? Area is pi r square. Now I am telling the pi and the radius. Pi is the geometrical identity. Pi is the geometrical identity and it is used in geometry. And its value is always 22/7. This will not change. This is the fractional value and we are using the decimal value is 3.14. This is non-terminating, but we always use 3.14. We can use the fractional value, we can use the decimal value. And radius means the distance from the center to the edge of the circle. And r square means multiply radius 2 times. Now I am starting the exercise number 12.1. And the question is, the diameter of the circle is 11.6. If we have a diameter, let's see, we have a diameter and diameter is diameter is 12 centimeter. And you need to find the circumference. Write the formula first. Circumference is 2 pi r. See, 2 for the formula, pi value is 22/7, but we need r. How to find r? Put the formula. Radius is diameter divided by 2. Diameter divided by 2. So the radius will be 6 centimeter. Now put in the formula 2 pi r. 2 multiplied by pi value is 22/7. Now the r value is 6 centimeter. Multiply all the numerators. 2 multiplied by 2, 44/7 multiplied by 6 centimeter. Now you need to multiply both of the numerators. Then we have 6 4 times 24, 2 on the carry. 6 4 times 24, 25 and 26 divided by 7. Centimeter is the unit of measurement. Centimeter is the unit of measurement. So we need to divide it. The answer will be 7 2 times 14, 7 3 times 21, 7 3 times 21, but we have 26. 5 on the carry. Let's 7 times 49 and then its answer will be in the decimal. So answer in the decimal. Let's check the answer and answer will be 12.1, 36.4. Let's see, this is the answer of this question. So how to solve this question? We need to divide and put the values in the formula, and then you will get the answer. Let's take another question. And the other question will be radius. If we have a radius, let's see, radius is 10 centimeter and you need to find the circumference. Just put the formula 2 pi r. 2 pi value is 22/7 and r value is 10 centimeter. Now we have a radius, just put the formula, multiply all the numerators. 2 multiplied by 22, 44/7, multiply by 10 centimeter. Then you need to multiply both of this, divided by 10, divided by 7, and then you will get the answer. Now I am solving another question. The question is the circumference of the circle. This time we have a circumference. Now this time we have circumference. Circumference is 8 centimeter. And you need to find the diameter and you need to find the radius. We need to find both of these. We have circumference. When we have a value, so we need to put the value of the circumference. We have this. Put the formula for circumference. This is the formula for circumference. Circumference value is given, so write under the circumference. 2 for the formula, pi value is 22/7, r we need to find, write same as it is. Now 8 centimeter, multiply both numerator and multiply by r. Now the conversion, interchange of the value. This 7 is dividing here. When it will go to the relative, when it will come to this side, on the left hand side, division will convert into multiply. Division will convert into multiply and the remaining values are same. Now 7 multiplied by 8 is 56 centimeter and we have 44 multiplied by r. Now we need to find r. 44 is multiplying here. When it will come to this side, it will divide. Division will convert into multiply and multiply convert into division. So when you will divide, then we will get the answer. We have to divide it. Let's we get the answer is 44 divided by this 1.7 centimeter equals to radius. Now we got the radius. Now put the formula for diameter. Diameter is equals to 2 multiplied by r. Put the value of r, 1.7 centimeter, and then you will get the answer. 2 7 times 14.1 on the carry, 2 1 times 2 and 3 centimeter. So these are the steps for putting the values and finding the values. Thank you.